Hello friends, today we are going to see a website for company registration. It is a website maintained by our Ministry of Corporate Affairs. All of our company registration details will be in this site only. If you register a private limited company or LLP company, it will be there. Your proprietorship company and a partnership company, that will not be covered in this website. Okay. Now we are going to see. Now in the address bar you have to enter www.mca.gov.in http://mca.gov. Then after the URL you have to press the enter key. The home page will be like this. After that you have to click MCA services. These are all the services given by this website. Here you have to register your company your name as a business user. Click that register button. Click business user. I'll suggest all people to click as a business user. Then click director. Then enter your DIN number. DIN number is nothing but a direct identification number. I'll put another video for that. Here you enter your PAN number, then your first name, all record detail, birth date, everything you have to enter. Mother maiden name, your contact number. Here you have to click that SMS alert facility. If you click that, whatever action is happening related to your company will be intimated to you. Your email ID. Your email ID is very important. You have to enter correct email ID because all communications after that will be through this mail ID only. So you have to enter mail ID. Then you have to confirm the same again. The login details you have to choose a username. The details and all given in the site itself. It should be 8 to 11 characters. You should contact a capital letter, and it should consist a capital letter. It should consist a small letter, and it should consist a number. And after that, you have to attach your DSC. DSC is nothing but a digital signature. That digital, I'll put another video. What is DSC, digital signature, like that. Here you have to select your DSC. DSC will be installed in your computer. You have to browse that and choose the relevant digital signature. DSC, every director will have a DSC certificate. It is for our password recovery question. Then you can choose this question. You will enter the answer. After that, click that create account. Then it will create a account for you. Yeah, congratulations, you have successfully registered under business users category as a director. Before that, you should have your director identification number DIN and your digital certificate. Then you have to log in as a business user. by entering your username and your password. I'm entering that username. Now I am entering the password. And click sign in. Then your my workspace will be like this when you are new to this site. To log in, you have to click this, and as a business user you have to click that. Business user means you are the owner of the company, so you have to click that. You attach your DSC here, select the DSC what you have done at the time of registration. Sign in. Yeah, you successfully registered as a business user. Your workspace will be like this. Your workspace will be like this. You are the owner. Mr. Gopal Giridhar has filled the e-form DIR3 on www.mcn. He got a DIN number like this. He registered himself as a business user using DSC, digital certificate. His company name is Strong Plastics Private Limited Company. The OPC means it is one person company. I will tell you later what is one person company. Mr. Gopal Giridhar can view the details of the company incorporated his personal page. And you can see. Now we are going to assign a person for our company as a company secretary, because as a businessman we can't look into all the problems of the company, so we are nominating people for marketing, for for sales. For every department we are nominating a manager. In this legal things also we have to nominate a person as a company secretary. That person will act as a authorized person of our company. So here Gopal Giridhar is going to nominate a person Jayashree as a authorized professional user of Strong Policy, because he can't see all the problem of the company. Then for that you have to you have to log in first in your workspace as a business user. Then you have to click this authorize professional user, then click the name of your company, Strong Plastic Private Limited Company. Then enter the user ID for your professional user. I will JSSR 77. Then click submit. Then you authorize her. You are authorizing her. Okay. So successfully you have created a authorized user. Then Jayashree can see all the details of your company. The Strong Plus is in her personal page. She will act as a company's authorized person. Likewise, after few years, authorized user can handle anything, everything related to this business. Okay. After that, we are going to suspend that person Jayashree. Sometime people will come to our business and they'll work for us, and they'll move to another company. In that situation, we have to remove that person as authorized, because if they are going out and they are doing they can do anything. So we have to suspend that person. So click that suspend professional user, then click the company name. There you have to click the name of the person. Click the suspend. That's all. She has removed from our company. Then see this is a workspace. After he has entered many company, so you can see all the company listed under you. These are the certificate copies. Another you can anytime you can download whatever certificate you need. If it's incorporation certificate, you can download it. Whatever it is there, you can download it. So this will be the registration process for company registration as a business user, and we have seen our company's details through my workspace. You can add a person and authorizer, and you can remove that person also from your company. That's all for this moment. Thank you. People who are seeing this video, please subscribe our video channel. Thank you.